Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, previous teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? What is our lesson name, children? Our lesson 3, My Needs. In this lesson, we are discussing about food. Yes, in food, we discussed about 3 different types of food. In that, what we discussed in the last video, energy giving food, the food which gives you energy. Today we are going to discuss about protection giving food, the food which gives you protection. Today we are going to discuss about that one. Protection giving food. So what type of food gives you protection? What type of good food gives you protection? Protection means here which fights against the diseases. The food which fights against diseases. So if we are eating the protection giving foods, yes, we will be very strong and we will not fall ill. We will not fall ill. The food which fights against diseases. So this type of food is very, very important to our body and which fights against to the diseases and which gives you the protection, Yes, children. So what are those food items? I will tell you. Fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables. These are the food items which gives you protection. These are the protection giving food. And which fights against the diseases. Coming to fruits, tell me different types of fruits, children. Yes? What do you know? Apple. Yes. Apple, banana, grapes. Yes, jackfruit. So many different kinds of fruits are there. All these fruits protects you from the diseases. These are the different kinds of fruits. Not only this, so many other etc. are the fruits which fights against the diseases. So you have to include fruits in our diet. Daily an apple keeps you away from the doctor. If you are eating daily an apple, you need not to go to the doctor. Why? Because which gives you protection against the diseases. So we should eat fruits. How many of you are eating fruits? Healthy. They are very, very healthy to us. Okay? Which gives you protection. Coming to vegetables. Tell me some vegetables. Tell me, children. Yes. Potato, cabbage, cabbage, brinjal, onion, chilli, cauliflower, etc. All these are vegetables. Vegetables are also playing an important role, and which gives the protection, which gives you the protection from the diseases. So tell me some vegetables, what do you know? Yes, potato, cabbage, brinjal, onion, chilli, cauliflower. Still, what are there? Carrot. Yes, all these food items which gives you protection against the diseases. So we should include vegetables in our daily diet. We should include vegetables in our diet. Coming to leafy vegetables are also playing an important role. So we should eat leafy vegetables, which are very, very good and which fights against the diseases. Yes, examples for leafy vegetables are spinach and lettuce. Yes, spinach and lettuce are some leafy vegetables. Lettuce, etc. are leafy vegetables. All of you understand, children? These are the food items which gives you the protection against the diseases. These we can call, these are nothing but vitamins. These are nothing but vitamins. Understand, children? What are vitamins? The food which gives you against, which fights against the diseases, we can call them as vitamins. Vitamins are very, very important for us. In the vitamins, what are the food items which gives you protection? Here, fruits, vegetables, in that leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables are very, very essential and important, which gives you the protection. Okay, fruits are nothing but here apple, banana, grapes and jackfruit, papaya, pineapple, all these are included in fruits. Yes, I will show you one fruit. What is this, children? Pomegranate, which gives you protection against diseases. Yes, children. Next one is vegetables. About potato, different types of vegetables we discussed. What are those? Potato, cabbage, brinjal, onion, chilli, yes, cauliflower, etc. All these are different types of vegetables. Coming to leafy vegetables, what are those leafy vegetables? Spinach, lettuce, etc. are the leafy vegetables. We should include leafy vegetables also in our diet. Okay, children, I will show you the chart regarding this. These are nothing but vitamins. Okay, children, this is the chart here. Here the vegetables are there. See here, spinach. Next, what is this? Brinjal. Can you see, children? Yes, brinjal. Carrot, potato, cauliflower. Yes, all these are different vegetables. Next, here fruits are there. What are those? See the fruits. Mango, banana, jackfruit, orange, cherries. Understand, children? Yes. These are the food items which gives you protection from the diseases. All of you understand? Yes. Now open your studio book, children. These are nothing but vitamins. Open your studio book, children. In that, open 35 page. Yes, I am going to read this one. Then we will go to the next one. Protection giving foods. Protection giving foods. What are protection giving foods? See here. Fruits and vegetables, especially green leafy vegetables. Especially what are those? Green leafy vegetables are called protective foods. Are called protective foods. They have nutrients that help our body fight against diseases. They have the nutrients that fight against the diseases. Next, and keep us healthy. And keep us healthy. Vitamins are a part of this group. Vitamins are part of this group. Next, here down see the picture of fruits are there. Fruits, vegetables and leafy vegetables. All these things we have to include in our diet. Right, children? Next, on the page. Here again we have a small activity. Yes. Pawan comes home and informs his parents that Health Day is being observed at school. What is that day? Health Day is being observed at school, and he would like to take part in a slogan contest. He want to participate in that slogan contest. So Pawan is the boy. He is going to participate a competition at school. What is that competition? That is based on the health day. That is on the health day. He want to participate in the slogan contest that the school is organizing. He is supposed to create a slogan that goes with the posture given in the figure. Help Pawan think of a good slogan. Chudandi a posture kindana fruit. That slogan should be resembles the down posture. Here it is the posture is there. Here it is the posture is there. That slogan should resembles the posture. Yes. So we have to help to Pawan. Okay. Children, I am writing here a slogan. Don't copy the same. If you want to write another one, you can write. Understand? Okay, children. I am writing that slogan here. So you can write down whatever you want to write. I am writing one slogan here. Open page number 36. Yes, here we have to help to Pawan to write a slogan regarding health day. Okay. Yes, children. Eat healthy. Eat healthy day and night. Eat healthy day and night. To keep your future to keep your future looking bright. Looking bright. This is the slogan, children. Yes, don't copy the same. If you want to write another one, you can write. Eat healthy, day and night, to keep your future looking bright. Yes. So that is the slogan. I thought if you want to write any other, you can write. Okay, children? Finish it fast. I will give you 1 minute time, children. Write down. Finished? Finish it fast, children. Then we will go for the next one. Yes, again I am repeating the slogan. What is the slogan? Eat healthy, day and night, to keep your future looking bright. Finish it, children. Shall I rub it? Next, till now what we discussed? We discussed about the food which gives you energy and food which gives you protection. Now we are going to know about the food which helps you for the building. Bodybuilding food. What is bodybuilding food? Do you know? The food which helps to build your body. Yes. Body building food. So in bodybuilding food, what are included in bodybuilding food? Why we need this bodybuilding food? So if you want to grow, what you need? You need bodybuilding food. If you want to grow, if you want your muscles and bones to be strong and healthy, strong and healthy, we need this bodybuilding food. In that, what is included here, I will explain you. Yes, here we need pulses, some pulses. Yes, we need yes, meat, egg, animals meat. We need animals meat, and we need nuts. We need nuts. All these are included in bodybuilding food. All these are included in bodybuilding food. Coming to here, pulses, or what we can call it as lentils. Lentils. Do you know what are lentils? Lentils are nothing but dried bean. What are lentils? Are nothing but dried beans. Lentils are nothing but dried beans. We can call it as lentils. We should include lentils in our diet. What are those lentils? Example for lentils are black gram, green gram, chickpeas. All these are included in lentils. All these are included in lentils or in the pulses. Yes? Understand, children? Lentils are nothing but dried beans. The beans which are dried, we can call it as lentils. In Telugu, one example I will give you in Telugu. What are those? Bobbarlu antaru telusu kadamma? Bobbarlu. Yes, those are the examples for lentils. Those are the example. One example for lentils. Okay. What are those? Green gram, black gram. Yes, all these are included in lentils. All these are included in lentils. Those are which gives you the body building, which helps you to be strong and helps you to be strong and for the body building. Yes, right. Coming to animals meat. Here you can include cow, goat, hen, eggs. All these are included in animals meat. Okay, children, these are the examples for animals meat which is helpful in bodybuilding, Next one is nuts. What are the different nuts? You know. Yes, almonds, cashew, yes, pista. All these are included in the body building. All these nuts are very, very important for us. Okay, children. Now I will show you the chart regarding this topic. Okay, children. Yes. Here. Yes, see here. Meat, fish, eggs, which helps you for the bodybuilding. Here, chicken, mutton, pork, fish, eggs. All these food items which helps you to body building. Okay, children? Understand? Yes. So that is about today's topic, children. What we discussed? Yes, about protection giving food and body building food. Remaining lesson we will continue tomorrow. What is the homework for you? Write a slogan here in the page number 36. You have to write the slogan. Okay? Don't copy the same. You can write it in your own words. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Bye-bye.